Alright, so here we have a Thrunite TN12, and common issue with those is the light doesn't stay on when you click it. Sometimes it stays, in this case it stays on, other times you have to press it several times. So what I've seen other people do is take the cap off, and what's helpful is pliers for a snap ring that have this sharp pointy edges, and it fits right into those two dimples around the spring. So what you do is make sure it locks in like so, and you twist the bottom cap, you twist that counterclockwise. Don't get it mixed up, get it counterclockwise. This comes out, and you drop out the contents, the switch on the bottom. Now, people have said that there's moisture or dirt built up. In this case, I don't see anything in here, but I do have some electronics cleaner. It should do just fine, so if it doesn't help, it won't hurt her definitely. So we're gonna spray it real quick. And I'll spray the spring and the electronics. Let that dry out. Dries very quick. And what I'll do is I'll reassemble it the same way you took it off. Make sure it's seated in there properly. And you resecure the ring. Now you twist the bottom cap clockwise to tighten it. That's how it works. Okay, not too tight, just tight enough. And you put the flashlight back together. Hopefully it works. Looks like it did, so